Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this Realme 9 smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row at the keyboard of this device. If we'll call out for the keyboard now, you'll see that there is no separate number row on top of the characters, so in order for it to be activated, you gotta go to the keyboard settings either by tapping on this gear icon or opening the settings app, scrolling down and going for the system settings category. Here at the system settings page, go for the keyboard and input methods. Next, at the available keyboards list, choose what keyboard is currently on. In my case, and by default, it's always going to be the Gboard, so we'll go to the Gboard settings page. Here, go for preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on this number row switch. And as you will see right now, the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device has been successfully enabled. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!